Hi children, today we are going to learn the lesson about food and feeding habits of animals. So how the animals, how they are eating the food and how they are feeding. So we can know about a different type of animals of a lesson 4. So first get started. Unscramble the names of the animals. Match them with the food they would like to have. So the animals having the food which they like. So the first one is elephant. So elephant eats sugarcane. The second one is rabbit. Rabbit eats carrot. Cat milk. Monkey banana. Okay, na children. The first one is elephant, rabbit, cat, monkey. So why do animals need food? So why they need food? They need food to grow and reproduce. Yes or not? As a living and non-living things. So animals need food to grow and stay healthy. So to stay healthy, what they need? They need food to grow and stay healthy. Have you seen a cow grazing in a field? Have you seen a cat chasing a mouse? So here the cow is eating the grass in the field and the cat is chasing a mouse. Why the cat is chasing the mouse? To eat it. Did you see children in your home? Somewhere also we can see this. They do so because they need food. So they need food, that's why they are doing. All animals need food. Animals need food to grow. You may have seen a little kittens how greedily they suck their mother's milk. So here we can see in this picture, see the cats are suck the milk from their mother and gradually a tiny kitten grows into a big cat. Okay, so after some days it becomes a big cat. A pet dog is usually healthier than a stray dog. This is because a stray dog does not get enough food. So animals also need food to stay healthy. So here we can see the dog. The stray dogs eats many things, but a pet dog at our homes, we are giving the sufficient food or milk, whatever it is. Yes or not? We can see in many homes that the pet dogs are there. So they have a healthy food there, but we can see the stray dogs. They are shouting. See here, they will eat a different type of food what they need outside. Okay, na children. Animals need food for energy. Okay, they also need some energy to live. Yes or not? Some animals help us with our work. They need energy to work. Animals also need energy to move about. They get this energy from the food they eat. All animals need food to grow, to work, and to stay healthy. So, whatever which animal, but they need the food to get some energy to do work. All animals depend on plant for food. Okay, that is a food chain. Some animals eat plants and some animals eat plant eating animals, and some animals eat both plants and animals. Okay, here we can see that the animals, so some animals are eating grass. No means some animals are eating, we can see cat, it is eating mouse. Okay, so this like we can see a different type of animals are eating both plants and also animals. Thus all animals depend on plants for their food. This is like a chain and it is called as a food chain. Okay, children, this is called a food chain. All food chains begin from plants. So this food chain is beginning from plants. So first they start from plant. Okay, see here we can see all animals depend directly or indirectly on plants for their food. So they start from first plants only. After that only they can eat a plant eating animal. Here we can see herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous. That means these are the three types of categories we are having. So we can see one by one. Animals like goats, cows and giraffes eat grass or green plants. Okay, here the goats are eating only a green plants, cows and giraffes. So they are plant eating animals. Such animals are called as herbivorous. Okay, now children. Herbivorous means the animals which are eating plants are called as herbivorous. For example, cow, giraffe. Animals like lions and tigers eat the flesh of plant eating animals. Okay, they are flesh eating animals. Such animals are called carnivorous. See here, the animals like lions and tigers eat which animals? The animals which are eating plants. So, they will eat this. Who? Lions and tigers. These animals are called as a carnivorous. And animals like crows and bears eat both plants and the flesh of other animals. Such animals are called omnivorous. That means the crows and bears are eating the flesh of other animals. Not only plants but also the flesh of other animals. These animals are called as a omnivorous. Human beings are also omnivorous. Why? Because they eat different parts of plants and they get food from animals. Okay, so these are also called as a omnivorous. So this is about a herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous children. And next, food for domestic animals. Domestic animals do a lot of work for us. We should feed them well to keep them healthy and active. Okay, and also animals like oxen, horses, camels, mules, elephants, and donkeys carry loads or work in the fields. They need energy giving food, so they should be fed on oat and fodder. So here we can see this oxen, horse and also elephants. So they are doing some work for us. So if they want to work, what we have to give? We have to feed them a proper food. Okay, now children. So they are eating a proper food, then only they can work a lot of work to us. Animals like cows, buffaloes and goats gives us milk. They need milk producing food. So they should be fed on grass and oilseed cakes. So here the cows and buffaloes are giving milk. They need milk producing food. So what we have to give? We have to give the grass and also oilseed cakes. So if we fed them with this, they can produce a lot of milk to us. How animals feed? Different animals eat different types of food. The feeding habit of an animal depends on the type of food it eats. The mouth of an animal is suited to the type of food it eats. Okay, here the animals are different type of eating habits they have. So it depends on the mouth of an animal. So it can eat the type of food it can eat. Animals that swallow their food Some flesh eating animals like snakes swallow their food whole. Okay, here the snakes can swallow the food whole. They do not bite or chew their food, so they do not having biting or chewing teeth. So the snake no need the chewing. Why? Because it can eat the whole food at a time. A frog swallow insects. It has a long sticky tongue. So here we can see say it's having a tongue. It shoots out its tongue to catch insects. The insect that gets stuck on the tongue makes a tasty meal for the frog. Now this is about the herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous animal and how the animals feed. And the remaining part we can know in the next video.